You say good morning? She just puked all over me, so that was fantastic. But we are going to have a great day, aren't we? Yeah, we're going to do so many activities. You're going to take so many naps. It's going to be so, so good. I'm just going to go make some breakfast, and we are just going to start our day. Aren't we? Yes. So she loves this. She loves her little swing. And it's nice because it's right in my kitchen and I can cook while she's here and I can see her. And she does a really good job, don't you? Yes, don't you? So for breakfast, I think I'm just going to have a bagel and then put some egg on top. And that will be my breakfast because it is super easy and super fast. All right, my breakfast is ready. So good. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys used to watch me all the time eat food when I was still at my mom's. So I hope this is remembering of how it used to be. So Carson just had a very loud blowout, so she is now on a new outfit. So hopefully this will be her last outfit of the day. Probably won't happen that way, but we're gonna try. We're also about to do some tummy time. Now, she doesn't truly like it. I feel like most babies don't like it, but she's been practicing putting her head from left to right. So let's see if I can get her to do it today. All right, let's see it, Carson. Bring your head over here. Let's show them how good you're doing. Over here. Yeah, you got it. You got it. I know you can do it. Over here. Look, come over here. Wow, look at you, baby. Good job. Come over here. Put your head over here. Over here. Not your whole body. I believe in you. Yes, baby. Over here. Over here, baby. You did it. There you go. Good job. Yes. She tooted. So there is some filming that I need to get done today with like reels and stuff. So I can't do that until she naps. So we are just kind of be waiting, aren't we? Yeah. We're just going to be waiting for her to fall asleep. Yeah, is that what we're going to do? Yeah. She's been very vocal. Yeah. 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 Yeah, aren't you? Are you so excited? Yeah. Because you're so cute, aren't you? Yeah. She's like, I know. Yeah. Yeah. Aren't you so excited to take a nap? So this is kind of what we're going to be doing just until she falls asleep. All right, so I just finished my makeup. Carson was sleeping for like maybe 10 minutes and then she was kind of fussy. So I just got putting her pacifier in until I was able to really fall back asleep. So she's sleeping right now. So I was able to finish up my makeup. Here it is. I'll put this in a reel. You've probably already seen it. It's probably up there. I'll put the link anyways for you. But now I'm just gonna go and do some reels while I have my makeup on. And then I have a couple of things to do there. And then I think we're gonna go on a walk when she wakes up. Because we haven't gone on a walk for a couple of days and she loves her walks and so does Penny. So since Carson is sleeping, I want to show you two products that I just got. So what is the easiest way to actually work out? Does anybody know what the answer is? I'll tell you what the answer is. The answer is to buy new workout clothing. I find it so much easier to work out when you have like really cute outfits, which is exactly what I just did. So I'm going to show you the products that I got. and then I'll try them on as well. All right, so here's the top from Belief. I am so excited to try this on. It is so pretty, so incredibly soft. I love this red color, and I also love that it has pads here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear a bra while I'm wearing this, but we will see how it goes. I love these up here. They're nice and thick. The material is really, really nice. And then these are the second. These are leggings. I love this blue color. It is like not true blue. It's not really showing it in camera exactly how blue it is. It is such a nice color. I love that they have little pockets here. Very, very cute. I think they're gonna be so cute when you put them together. All right, so here is the top. I'm obsessed with it. I love the color. It is like so vibrantly red, so incredibly cute. So I do not have a bra on right now. It is perfectly tucked in right here, so nothing is falling out. I would say if you were planning on like going running, I would make sure you have a bra on because it's a little bouncy, but very, very cute if you're gonna be like lifting weights and stuff like that. I think it is absolutely perfect for this top, and they also have a bunch of other colors. I just love this red one. So here are the bottoms. These are so nice. I love they both have pockets on both sides, and they actually go pretty deep as well. I love the color. They hit all the way to my ankles here, and I am 5'10". I just think they are so nice. I love that it's like super stretchy on your waist and basically everywhere, but it's not like overly tight. It looks really nice, very soft. I'm obsessed with these. I will put the link for these, the top and the bottoms, down below for you guys. You guys would love both of these. So Carson is doing an amazing job right now. Every time that I'm trying to film, she like doesn't cry or like whine at all until like the very end. So she's doing so good. So I think I'm gonna go and feed her really quick, and by really quick I mean for like 20 minutes. And then we're gonna go on our walk. All right, so I spent so much time getting this thing together because I've never used it, and I put the whole thing, and then I realized I forgot to put a jacket on her. So needless to say, we're not gonna go outside. So it's 61 outside right now, so it's not super cold. So we decided to go outside. Instead of going on a walk, we are at least outside. I know Penny would like to be outside with me, so we are out here. Carson thinks it's a little bit too sunny, which I know. I put her in the shade so that she doesn't get too sunny. I'm glad I actually got this thing together. It just took way too long, and I don't understand how you're supposed to connect them back in the back. Like, it was like so difficult to like put the straps back together or like just snap them together in the back. So I don't really understand how it works. But she's not hating it. She is enjoying being on me, I guess. And it's a lot easier because now I don't have to use my hands. So it's a plus. Oh, hello. All right, you guys. So I just took a shower, and Carson is sleeping, and my mother-in-law is watching her. So I'm gonna start cooking dinner. So I think this vlog is going to be ending here. Let me know if you guys want to see more vlogs. I just don't really know what you guys like to see. I know you guys used to really like watching my vlogs, and my mom is also gonna be here in a couple of days, so you guys get excited for that because I'm sure we're gonna be doing lots and lots of filming for that. But I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.